If you're tired of spending your weekends mowing the lawn, the Segway Navimow X430 might be exactly what you're looking for. After checking out what it offers, I have to say, it's one of the most impressive robotic mowers currently available. The biggest highlight is that it's completely wire-free. There's no need to install perimeter cables, and the setup is surprisingly simple thanks to its advanced GPS and vision-based navigation. It can even handle steep slopes of up to 84%, which is something many competing robot mowers struggle with. I also like the all-wheel drive system and zero-turn capability. It moves confidently around obstacles while being gentle on your lawn, and the adjustable cutting height gives you plenty of flexibility for different grass types. Of course, it's not perfect. The premium price won't fit everyone's budget, and because it's still fairly new, long-term reliability is something we'll have to keep an eye on. Overall, if you have a medium to large yard and want a truly hands-free mowing experience, the Segway Navimow X430 is shaping up to be one of the best robotic lawn mowers you can buy. It definitely earns a spot on my shortlist.